There's something going on within the Shiba Inu ecosystem right now that is making people pay close attention. Basically, there have been rumors that members of the Shiba Inu team have been caught doing some insider trading. So in this video, we'll be looking into whether or not these claims are true, and the implication of insider trading on the ecosystem if the claims are true. This is going to be an intense video, so strap in and let's go. Disclaimer. The origin of the rumor seems to be the fact that an early Shiba Inu investor and trader just recently pocketed about $4 million in profits as a result of trading ETH as USDC depegged during the weekend. This discovery was made by the blockchain smart money tracker Look On Chain, and they detailed the transaction on their Twitter page. But this particular transaction isn't at all suspicious. There's nothing weird about an investor making profits on a project. Where things start to get weird is when you start looking at the investor's other purchases. Apparently, this investor has managed to do the right thing at the right time many times. They have a track record of either dumping tokens before they crash like they did with Luna, or buying tokens before they pump and selling them right before they dump like with Shib. Now, this is not particularly suspicious, but it is definitely interesting. And some people might even decide to model their investments after this person. But this is not financial advice. Anyway, things get even more interesting. Not only has this investor been making all the right calls, the trade was spread across 15 different addresses, which are the same addresses that this investor traded Shib with back in April of 2021. This has led some people to believe that this anonymous investor is actually the owner of all 15 addresses. But more than that, it has led some to believe that this investor is an insider that is carrying out inside trade moves. As I mentioned earlier, Look On Chain made a whole thread on Twitter to talk about this investor's moves, calling them smart. And really, what else would you call moves that just always seem to be perfectly timed? But there are people who think that those moves are not necessarily smart, but informed. That is, they seem to believe that this investor is a Shiba Inu insider or has inside information that makes it possible for them to make the right investment call every single time. And it does sound plausible, but I want to hear what you think about it. Please consider sharing your thoughts in the comments section below. While you're doing that, you might want to consider the fact that this investor is not the only one that has been making the right moves. A number of other addresses have made scarily accurate transactions as well, making huge profits at times when many other addresses were struggling with losses. Some people are also considering that these addresses could be insiders, because they don't think anybody can be this accurate all the time. Now, the fact that there isn't just one address that constantly makes accurate trade moves could be indicative of the fact that they are not insiders. Or it could just be that all of these accounts are members of the dev team. I don't really have any definite opinion on this, but I certainly want to hear what you think. Do you think these addresses are just smart, or are they actually insiders? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Moving on from that, let's talk about Shibarium a bit. So we all know that the long-awaited Shibarium beta has finally been launched. Unsurprisingly, many Shiba Inu holders were excited about this because of all the things that the platform is expected to do for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. However, something surprising happened after the launch. Shiba Inu lost a bit of money, which is the direct opposite of what Shibarium should do. This was triggered by the fact that the whales dumped a significant portion of their Shib holdings the very same day that the Shibarium beta was launched. Many were surprised at this turn of events because it was kind of expected that people would be more willing to hold onto their tokens to see how far the launch would take the price of Shib. But a 10 trillion token dump is what happened instead. It should be mentioned though that most of the people that dumped their tokens recently are whales. Most retail traders haven't moved their position, holding onto their tokens for the foreseeable future. But the question of why whales sold off 10 trillion Shib tokens the same day that Shibarium was launched still needs to be answered. Unfortunately, there's no way to know for sure why this happened, but analysts have taken guesses. According to Launcher Guru, the beta launch came at a time when the markets faced a crisis due to the Silicon Valley Bank facing insolvency. Hence, either the whales dumped the token to keep liquidity at hand or moved the funds to different assets. The correct picture is yet to be known. There is also the fact that people will always try to take profits after major developments like this. And if this is the case, it's absolutely normal and we can expect the price of SHIB to bounce back. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. Meanwhile, there is good news. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! Also, there's now a membership option on this channel. Becoming a member gives you access to a private group chat with me where we get to discuss crypto gems, finances, and success. If you are interested, hit that membership button. The bearish momentum is finally dying down. Already, SHIB has managed to drop the zero that it picked up during the weekend, and is currently up by about 5% from its previous close. The token's market cap and 24-hour trading volume have also experienced an increase in recent times, which could be attributed to the launch of Shibarium or the fact that SHIB holders used the downtime as an opportunity to buy the dip. According to Coin Edition, this bullish perspective is supported by the relative strength index reading of 66.65 above its signal line. This RSI level indicates that the SHIB market is now in a strong uptrend and is likely to continue rising soon. So it looks like we might finally be in the clear. And with the launch of Shibarium, one can only guess how much higher the price of SHIB will go from here. What do you think? But that's not all. SHIB burns have also increased in the last 24 hours, which might be a result of the excitement from the launch of Shibarium. That is, you know that Shibarium is meant to burn SHIB, and while it doesn't seem like burns have started on Shibarium, it looks like the launch might have encouraged people to continue burning as well. The most recent burn was of about 600 million SHIB spread across 3 transactions within just 24 hours. One of those transactions was really significant. One was done by Koyo Token, a new token that seems to be interested in burning SHIB. This token burned a whopping 591 million SHIB in just one transaction. What's interesting is that this token just came into the market a week ago, but it has already managed to burn about 3.2 billion SHIB tokens. SHIB Superstore also burns a significant amount of SHIB tokens. They recently burned about 10.5 million SHIB tokens. And it might not seem like much, but it is when you consider that SHIB Superstore is one of the most consistent SHIB burners, so we need to be really grateful for them. In other news, the amount of BONE tokens that whales hold has increased significantly since the launch of Shibarium, and analysts say that there could be 2 reasons for this. One could be the fact that whales decided to buy the dip when BONE dumped a little along with the rest of the Shiba Inu market. The second is the fact that Shibarium has just been launched and BONE is a very important token for the platform. Maybe these whales are considering working as validators or delegators on the Shibarium platform, and it would explain their accumulation of BONE tokens in large amounts. Consider telling us what you think in the comments section below. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.